Alrighty then. Welcome back, Lego Fanatics. Today we are going to open up bag 2 of this set, The Way of Water for Avatar. So I'm just going to throw these over here and dump them. Let's see what we're going to start with building today. I think we've got another minifigure in here, it looks like. And let's see what we got. Just a little bit flattened out for you. Make sure I can see everything here. This one's going to be easy because there's a lot of green parts in it. So let's get to building here. First thing I'm going to do is look for the avatar pieces. Looks like I got a tail.